Hi kids, how are you? So today we are going to understand mixed fractions. So before jumping onto the topic, let us first understand what mixed fraction are. Mixed fraction, it is basically a fraction that consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. Here, see, you can see these are three parts. This is the total number of parts and this is the selection. I have just given you one example how we can present a mixed fraction in terms of a diagram. Now look here, whole number. Since a mixed fraction has a whole number, so here this is the whole part that I have selected. How many total parts are there of this particular circle? There are 8 total parts. So here I have selected this one whole part and this one whole part. So basically I have selected 2 whole parts, right? And for the third one I have selected only 3 out of 8 whole parts. So here when I have 2 whole parts, so I will write this is my whole number. And here this fraction, what is the fraction for this? I have selected 3, then it becomes my numerator, and the total number of parts 8. So this is the way we represent a whole mixed fraction. This is the whole numbers and this is my fraction. Coming on to the another example also. Here I have one whole part. I have selected one whole part, and for another I have selected only one part out of 4 parts. So my whole number will be 1 since I have selected one whole rectangle, and the fraction for this selection is 1 by 4. So a mixed fraction is a combination, or it consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. Alright. Now coming to our main topic for today is how we can convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now mixed fraction, it consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. Alright. So there are basically only 2 steps, very easy steps. First is we need to multiply the whole number and the denominator. As you can see over here, there is the multiplication sign. It represents that the denominator and the whole number, we have to multiply it. And second is add the product. The answer of a multiplication sum is known as product. So second step is we have to add the product to the numerator. So whatever the product is, we have to add to the numerator. So here first we have to find the product of the denominator and the whole number. It is 3 into 10, 30. Then the second step is we have to add the product with the numerator. So it is 36. These 2 steps basically you need to do it mentally. I am just writing it down to make it more clear to you, but you need to just, if the question comes convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, you just have to write the mixed fraction, put equals to, convert it orally, 3 into 10, 30, 30 plus 6 is 36. So it becomes your numerator and denominator remains the same. So this is your converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now next is our converting improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now here this is my improper fraction. So for improper fraction we will put this fraction into division. The numerator is my dividend and denominator is my divisor. So now I have to divide. I don't have 28 in 9's table, but I do have 27. So 9 3s are 27. Subtract 8 minus 7 is 1. So now here I have divided. Now further I am not going to divide further to get 0 as the remainder. No. This is the last step, and now I have to write the mixed fraction. Now for mixed fraction, denominator remains the same. Now here denominator is 9, so denominator remains the same. Remainder becomes the numerator, so my remainder is 1. It becomes my numerator, and the quotient, it becomes my whole number. This step and the previous step also to convert mixed fraction into improper, both the steps are same for all the fractions if the question is asking you to convert. So here we have converted improper fraction into a mixed fraction. We divide it, we get a remainder, and then we put into specific places. Denominator remains the same, remainder becomes your numerator, and question becomes your whole number. Thank you.